Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. A gas pole saw is a powerful and versatile tool that has revolutionized the way we approach tree trimming and pruning tasks. With its ability to reach high branches and thick foliage with ease, it has become an indispensable companion for both professional arborists and DIY enthusiasts. This tool combines the convenience of a pole for extended reach with the raw power of a gas engine, making it an ideal choice for cutting through dense and hard-to-reach branches. In this introduction, we will explore the many advantages of the best gas pole saws, their applications, and what to consider when choosing one for your specific needs. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Works WG170 GT. The Works WG170 GT Revolution 20 volts 12 inches string trimmer, edger, mini mower is a versatile and innovative garden tool that has been thoroughly evaluated and highly recommended by experts. This product offers exceptional quality, ease of use, and impressive performance, earning it a perfect overall score of 5. The GT Revolution builds on the success of its predecessor, the GT 2.0, by addressing previous issues and introducing numerous enhancements. On number 4, Vevor Manual. The Vevor Manual pole saw is a versatile tree pruner designed for both high and low branch trimming. It comes with 8 lightweight fiberglass handles, allowing for height adjustments from 7.3 to 27 feet, 2.24 to 8.24 meters. The double lock joint design ensures secure and effortless locking, and despite its 10% weight reduction at 13 pounds, 5.9 kilograms, the pole remains durable and fatigue-resistant. The carbon steel blade, coated with Teflon, is rust-proof and 1.2 millimeters thick, featuring top and bottom hook knives for efficient branch removal during cutting and trimming. On number 3, ProYama. The ProYama 26cc 6-in-1 multifunctional trimming tools is a versatile set of gas-powered garden tools that includes a hedge trimmer, string trimmer, brush cutter, and pole chainsaw pruner with an extension pole. The engine is EPA certified, ensuring reduced fuel gas emissions and minimal environmental impact. The hedge trimmer allows for multi-angle adjustments. The package includes safety gear like a vibration reduction shoulder harness, ear defenders, gloves, and a face shield. The extension length is adjustable from 8.2 to 11.4 feet, and it comes with a 12-inch cutting length, making it suitable for cutting high branches. On number 2, Ego Power Plus PSA 1000. The Ego Power Plus PSA 1000 10-inch pole saw attachment is a remarkable addition to the Ego 56-volt lithium platform, delivering exceptional performance and versatility in tree trimming and pruning tasks. As an owner of Ego products, I was already familiar with the quality and reliability of their battery-powered tools, and this pole saw attachment certainly lives up to the brand's reputation. The first thing that struck me about the PSA 1000 is its effortless attachment mechanism. On number 1, Maxtra Pole Saw. The Maxtra Pole Saw is a powerful and versatile tree cutting tool suitable for those seeking a high-performance pole saw. This review discusses the features and capabilities of the Maxtra Pole Saw. The Maxtra Pole Saw features a robust 42.7 cc engine that is EPA certified, ensuring efficient performance while minimizing pollution. This engine can easily handle branches up to 9 inches in diameter, making it suitable for various tree cutting tasks. The saw offers an adjustable reach, extending from 8.2 feet to 11.4 feet, allowing users to safely cut branches up to 14 to 15 feet high without needing a ladder. In conclusion, the best gas pole saws offer a combination of power, versatility, and efficiency that make them invaluable tools for tree maintenance and pruning tasks. With their gas-powered engines, they provide the raw cutting power needed to tackle thick branches and high limbs with ease, making them an ideal choice for extensive outdoor jobs. Gas pole saws come equipped with features like adjustable extension lengths, allowing users to reach branches at various heights while ensuring safety. So guys, this was the video about the best gas pole saw. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.